G'day there. Well, the last 7-day period we only really had one thunderstorm day, I believe, from memory, that came through. It was Wednesday. There were some thunderstorms that moved into the western side of the North Island, and that was a day we pegged for a chance of thunderstorms to move through. But I believe that was about it. Okay, so here is the weather for today. Pretty settled over much of New Zealand. There is a cold front there heading into the far south. Now, last week's forecast, last Saturday morning, we did talk about this front coming through, and it is there, but it's weakened in strength. There's not really too much to it. In fact, the next 7-day period, there's not really a lot going on. More frosts, some sun, lots of high pressure. Anyway, so yes, this is today, fairly settled over New Zealand. Front heading in there from the south. There could be the chance of a shower pushing up this eastern side into this evening and overnight. But that is about it. Let's spin around, because there is a high pressure system there. That is going to sort of come in over New Zealand. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yeah, quite settled. Yeah, there it is, Tuesday. High pressure system, quite strong, 1037. A few showers there in the north, that airflow coming in around the top of the high there, coming in from the east-northeast. And then we move to Thursday, where a front comes into the west coast of the South Island. It brings some rain. Thunderstorm chances are looking slim, but if there were to be thunderstorms, this is the day that they would occur. Temperatures here in the east picking up. Because that high is moving out like that, northwesterly airflow comes in, temperatures lift. That's great. A few showers continuing there in the far north. Now, if we move to midnight, we get some rain, move up the east coast there into Canterbury. Bit of a southerly influence. Still some rain there for the west coast. It's moved a little further northwards. Thunderstorm chances once again are fairly low. Still a few showers there in the far north. Now, Friday midday. The front's still sort of stuck there in the middle because we've got two big high pressure systems either side. Yeah, some wet weather for the top of the South Island, but lower South Island clearing up. Much of the North Island there fairly dry. Still the odd shower there in the northeast, in the far north. Now, because those high pressure systems are either side like that, that front's going to sort of get swallowed up a little bit, I guess you could say. Let's move to Saturday. It weakens a little bit. Showers are going to sort of spread over the North Island a little bit more. We're clearing up for the South Island, you know, from the south quite a bit more now because, you know, that front's a little bit further northwards. If there were to be a chance of some instability, it could be Saturday for the upper North Island there. I'm just saying that because of those showers on this map. They've got a look to them where there could be some instability there. Sometimes I don't necessarily, you know, like as we get far out into the future, I don't go into like all the details, like looking at upper air temperatures, although there are thickness lines on this map, which can sort of allude to, you know, areas of cold air and warm air, etc. But I don't get into too much detail when I look at these maps. Sometimes just looking at the showers are enough to sort of get a vibe as to what could happen. So I'm getting a vibe that there could be a little bit of instability in those showers there. But yes, clearing up in behind for the South Island, looking fairly good. And that's about that. I will catch you again next Saturday morning. Cheers.
Severe thunderstorm large hail is a forecast. Storm moving northwards on the Canberra Plains towards Ashburton.